Hello my dear children, welcome back to Journal Awareness class. So today also we are going to learn about amazing nature. As in the previous video we have learned about flowers and their plants. In this video we are going to learn about fruits and their plants. So let us begin. First comes the pineapple plant. We can see one plant has only one pineapple. It does not have any seeds. The crown of the pineapple can be used to replant it. The next comes the watermelon. Watermelon is a fruit and also a vegetable. The red part of the watermelon can be eaten as fruit and the white part can be used as vegetable, and it has many seeds. Next comes the banana plant. One banana plant bears only one bunch of bananas. As we can see, all part of banana plant can be used for many other purposes. Next comes the strawberry plant. They take the support of the ground and it comes in bunch. It has many seeds, as many as 200 seeds. The seeds are on the skin of the fruits. Next comes the grapevine. Grape plants are called grapevine. Grapes comes in different colors, as we can see. It is purple, black, green, sometimes a mixed shade of purple and red. It also comes with seeds and also seedless. Next comes the peach tree. Peach also has only one seed. Peach, the outer cover of the peach is orange or yellow or sometimes the red color also, and it has a heavy cover which is called peach fuzz. Next comes the plum. Plum tree has only one seed and it comes in red and purple color. Next comes the guava tree. Guava has many seeds in it. It is also called a superfruit because it is full of vitamins and comes in green in color. And when we cut inside, sometimes it is white color, sometimes it is in pink color. Next comes the apple tree. Apple comes in multiple colors, red, green, and mix of red and yellow. Sometimes it has few seeds in it. Next comes the mango tree. Yummy mangoes. Mango comes in variety and we can eat raw as well as ripe one. And we all love this fruit, right children? And mango has only one seed. Next comes the orange tree. Orange, it has section. When we take out the peel of the orange, we can see section in it. And it has one or two seeds in each section. It is very good for health. We should eat all fruits. Next comes the pomegranate. We can see pomegranate fruit and its tree. Pomegranate is also called apple with many seeds. Yes or no? When we cut, we see seeds, many red seeds in pomegranate fruit. Now children, open page number 52. Read aloud fruits and their plants. These are the pictures of some fruits with their plants and trees. Pineapple, pineapple plant. Watermelon, watermelon plant. Banana, banana plant. Strawberry, strawberry plant. Grape, grapevine. Peach, peach tree. Plum, plum tree. Guava, guava tree. Apple, apple tree. Mango, mango tree. Orange, orange tree. Pomegranate, pomegranate tree. Now, fruits have many seeds. Some have one seed and some have many seeds. one-seeded fruits. Mango, cherry, plum. Many-seeded fruits, papaya, guava, watermelon. Thank you children. Now we'll meet in next video. Thank you.